Who is Father Camillus, aka Otimbodombo Jesus? He's popularly known as Otimbodombo Jesus from Owerri Diocese. I mentioned your name because Father Mbaka actually mentioned your name more than 2 days ago. I want you to be on guard because broadcast may be today in the evening. You will be left with only one option: to come out and say something. And when you are coming out to say something, Adame expect that you will not support your fellow priest, but at least say something so that posterity will judge you with what you will say, whether you lie or not. Posterity will be fair to you. If you lie, posterity will also judge you. Because when Father Mbaka Mary said, Father Camillus was here, I told Father Camillus, call Ebuka. Obviously, people are mad that Father Camillus is the same person that was popularly known as Otimbodombo from Owerri Diocese. So, after the broadcast maybe this evening, 1, 2, 3 people around this priest should try to tell this priest, for the sake of peace, for the sake of posterity, come out and say something. Because there is something that you know. And when I come out this evening, broadcast maybe only you will get 0.2 or missing link from what I will say. Except if you are somebody who wants to be sentimental, emotional. So I decided to mention this name because he mentioned Father Camillus. There may be a lot of Father Camillus, but I am now making you to know that the same Father Camillus is the same father that is popularly known as Otimbodombo Jesus from Owerri Diocese. And today, he will only be left in his conscience to either come out and say something or still choose to remain silent. 1, 2. Even Mbokotaloku something, I am not even expecting him on a normal not to support his fellow priest, his fellow Reverend Father. But at least come out and say something so that posterity will either be fair to you or judge you. Because you know a lot of things, especially when Father Mbaka said something like, I came back from monastery and Ebuka did not come and see me. He did not call me. I called him and he wasn't picking my calls. And I asked Father Camillus here to call him. Father Camillus called him and he picked the call. So we're going to link up a lot of missing links so that Father Camillus, since he mentioned your name openly na TV, just to prove a point, a second part idea of info name. I want you to understand that there are some missing link that is going to come up today that will either push you, Father Camillus, because he mentioned your name, he put your name on the spotlight just to make it to look like he's actually saying the truth. So you will either be forced, pushed, or decision of your own to either remain silent or at least say something. Because now these 2 elephants now know all what the grasses and the sheep not under them with an ass of fire. Yes, adorers and the Zionite, whether you like it or not, no matter how you try to shift the narrative from the obvious, the fact remains that the ground is not level. Yes, and these 2 elephants now know God, they are. So Father Camillus, Popularly known as Otimbo Jesus, right from our diocese. After today, perhaps God may put it in your mind to come out and clear the air. That's if what is happening is not deliberate. We will always assume that it is not deliberate until I confirm more. If what is happening is not deliberate, if what is happening is maybe now Father Mbaka actually the ignorant of what happened, which I think, like I said, I'm only giving you points so that you will bring your share, get your drinks, stay tuned for the real Monday hammer that is going to clear your eyes to a lot of all these things. And the video is already out there and it's not going in anytime soon. It's not like it's even going in. It will be there for the sake of posterity. But Father Camillus, like Father Mbaka called you, Father Camillus is here. Since he has put you on a spotlight, after today, you may be forced to come out and say exactly what you know. You can either choose to support your fellow priest. Like I told you, posterity will judge you for that. Or say the truth, posterity will be fair to you. Or choose to remain silent. You have not done well also, because posterity too will not be fair to you. Enough of all this conspiracy theory. He also mentioned this brother. Your brother may also be forced to come out. Your brother who is acting as your PA also may also be forced to come out. I am also not expecting him to support his brother, to go against his brother. I know that of course he's going to support his brother, but let him do that so that posterity will either be fair or judge him. Monday hammer 9 o'clock, 9 p.m. No, let us do it 8 p.m. today, Nigerian time, so that I may 8 p.m. I will get discussion before open heaven will start. As we go.